Hi everyone and welcome back to Menlo's headquarters. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the FoxEss Energy Cube system. Let's get into it. Can I have my knife? Nice try, Mikolai. Let's get into it. So I've got into the first box here. We're going to start off with the master battery. Let's take a look inside. So inside the box, you can see at each of the four corners are the legs for the master battery. We've got all the cables that you need for putting it together, the additional DC connectors, and the quick installation guide here. Let's see what's underneath. So we've taken off the next layer and you can see the main unit here. Let's get it out for you to take a closer look. Okay, so we've taken the battery out of the box and this is how it looks. It's very sleek in design. What we'll do is we'll bring you a little bit closer so you can see some of the other features. On this side, we have the power outputs and communication sockets. And here is the place to connect the ground cable. On the other side, we've got the battery status LED lights. We have the breaker and power switch here, and these holes are for mounting the system. This is the humidity release valve, and at the bottom you have a connection point which you use to connect your first slave battery. We have a couple of other things we need to show you as well. We have this cover here which will sit on the bottom battery of your stack. Without this, your system will not work, so make sure you keep it safe. This is how you fit it. We also have 1.2 meter long cables for you. Okay, so now that we've had a look at the master, let's take a look at one of the slaves. Oh, and here we go. So as you can see, we've got one of the slave batteries in front of us. All that comes in the box is the unit itself, some quick instructions, and some screws to put the units together. Let's get it out of the box. So as you can see, we've got the slave battery out and it looks very similar to the master. It has the same connection port and the same valve. So let's have a look at what it looks like when you put it together. And here we go. As you can see, it's a really nice, compact and elegant solution. Definitely would look good in any garage. That's all for today's video. If you want to check out more information about this product, you can watch this video here. If you want to see any of our other videos, check out the description down there. Other than that, have a great day and I'll catch you in the next one. Stop! Don't go anywhere. If you've enjoyed this video, why not join us on the Menlo Roadshow where you can see these products in real life. We're probably coming to a city near you. Check the description down below to register now. Bye bye!